people, welcome back to the vlogs. It's Thursday, May 15th. Kitty Cat is graduating. It's happening for the second time. We're at Georgetown University. It's a beautiful Thursday, and Catherine's got part one of her graduation for her master's degree today. My parents just entered the chapel, but it is seriously so beautiful here on campus. I'm kind of jealous, and I really wish that I had gone to school here, but
the door, telling no one what she's looking for. Little daylight walks through the door, telling no one what she's looking for. Ooh, little daylight can't be ignored.
It's graduation day 2, outfit change. This is from Anthro, and we're heading out to Georgetown University. We've been in Virginia for a while. Ooh, it is hot here, you guys. It's really hot. It's really, really hot. Yeah, so we have been here for a little bit. We flew into DC and have been getting Catherine all moved out of her apartment because she's officially leaving. Hello. You ready?
Can't be ignored.
Catherine, 1 minute.
So good to be reunited. We have a lot to do though, because we need to be ready by 4 and it's 12:44 p.m. and this girl has to curl her hair. We need to run to the store and grab some makeup. 99 cents. Okay.
99 cents? $12.99.
Let's do 99 cents.
Good choice.
Okay. Checking through security. All right, we've moved on to curling the hair. I'm using my trusty Heritage curling iron. 29 bucks. Also, my Day hairspray. How are you feeling right now? You're about to receive your ring.
I just hope it fits.
Are you kidding me?
I hope it fits.
Tell them what the tradition is.
Oh, you put it at the bottom of a glass of champagne.
Okay.
And then you have to chug the glass of champagne, which is like, you really don't chug champagne. But then once you get to the bottom, you have to like catch the ring in your teeth. And you're like,
ooh, spicy.
Hey, number 2, you need water? You need water?
It's like Hunger Games.
Yeah, we're gonna toast.
we're gonna toast like a million times.
In the entire world.
Now we will toast the countries of our exchange classmates. To the President of Indonesia.
To the President.
To the Prime Minister of Malaysia.
To the Prime Minister.
Very fitting that his birthstone root is red, the best color ever. Some of our classmates believe in this institution.
But then, the ring exchange will officially begin. Please pardon your family.
Put that one in my. Oh my God! Look at that. Yeah. All right. Put it on, put it on. Reagan, let's see it. Let's see it. Carson Chronicles.
Here from Mississippi, I just need to tell y'all, Caroline's awesome, guys. Griffin's a little better. Jacob, you know, he's great too, but we're here. Having a great time at the academy. I don't know how I got in, but I'm glad to be here.
How would you rate the dinner?
3.5 out of 10. The dinner was not good. The company though, the company was a solid 11 out of 10, man. They're ecstatic. They are so happy.
Look at these two. Wait, show your rings.
Get in here. Come on.
So the boys got their rings today. Now we're waiting on Miss Reagan to come show up in her beautiful dress. And we're gonna go to the dance.
I mean, I'm excited. I heard something about free beer, so.
All right, ring dance is over. We're getting food. He literally loves his ring, which rightfully so, because it looks so good.
Look at it, look at it. Come on.
Wait, I want you guys to take a guess on whose pizza is who. Not you folding out the ring again. You're like,
Well, it's just, it can't do anything else.
Okay, Tony's or Better Goods? Comment down below.
Up until yesterday, you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why now try